就是有刚刚讲的，就是首先遇到不懂的产品问题，区域组长可以问，然后呢，有相关媒体的问题的话，我们的外籍同事也都在。那等一下我们媒体的对接的同学，这是其二。然后还有一个就是销售业务模块的人，我看 Ricky 有在。那如果台方，比如说要广告合作啦、KOL 合作、PR 合作这些，我们都会有对应是我们整体软件的一些功能的演示序，然后它对应有一个 iPad。
This is the world's first robo-vacuum cleaner with an advanced wheel leg architecture. What that means is that it utilizes AI and advanced algorithms in order to measure the space around it and be able to climb steps with its wheel leg system. But it's not only just steps and stairs, it is also ramps, slopes, curved stairs, snail type of stairs, carpeted stairs, all types of different surfaces that the wheel leg can handle. The most difficult thing about developing a product like this is for sure not just finding the right robotic legs components that can fit in this form factor of a vacuum cleaner, but most especially developing the AI algorithm that can measure the space, the distance, the height of the steps in order to develop strategies intelligently that can climb those steps in different situations, different scenarios, different materials. The AI part of it is for sure the most complicated side of it.